Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually supports a gyroscope and that Bgmi is updated. This matters because motion control depends on hardware. Once done, open Settings, go to Basic and then Controls and turn Gyroscope on. Make sure your device is charged above 50% and remove thick cases to reduce sensor damping. This improves responsiveness. You're not done yet. Next, you'll calibrate and pick a baseline sensitivity that fits your grip and play style. You now calibrate and dial sensitivities. Go into Training Ground, stand still, face a target, then move your phone slowly to check drift and response. Recalibrate if needed. Next, edit sensitivity. Separate camera, ads, and gyro values. For example, try camera 180-350 and ADS 4090 as starting points, then tweak gyro specifically for recoil control. Make incremental changes. Adjust in 10% steps and test with full auto fire until your aim returns to center predictably. You finish by saving your control layout and locking the buttons so nothing shifts mid-game. Then run repeated 5-10-minute drills to confirm consistency. If you see jitter or drift, recalibrate sensors in Settings, toggle gyroscope off then on, or restart the app and retest. This fixes most issues. Finally, screenshot or backup your sensitivity values to your account. Make small iterative changes, because gradual tuning is how you build reliable muscle memory and stable motion control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.